See, family members, friends, everyone, see, play some song right now, sing one down the road. There's a
I'm not in a position to...
Hello, may I have your undivided attention for just 1 minute while we acknowledge God for 1 second? 1 second? Okay, so now that we are all here, look at my beautiful family. Welcome, welcome, welcome. All of you are my family and I love you all. It's such a pleasure to stand here right now and see my family. It makes my heart smile so bright. You have no idea. Hi. Alright. I'm saying it's such a joy. My heart is skipping and dancing right now just to see my family here. And I know this is not even a fifth of us, but it's a pleasure to have you all. And we just want to acknowledge God and just thank God for bringing us here safely. Some of us have come from miles away, and I just want to acknowledge God and thank Him for bringing us here, and I hope He brings us home. I pray that He brings us home safely. And also, I know we started drinking the soup, but we want to bless the food as well. Bless the people who provide and the people who made the food. All right, guys, that's it. We just want to acknowledge God. God is 1 second. We have to put God in front of everything, guys. Everything. And if it's just 1 minute of our day we can give to Him, that's not even nearly enough. But at least, you know, we have to acknowledge God. Oh, and I want to acknowledge my two aunts and uncle there. Oh, it's such a pleasure to see all three of you there. I know my brother is here in spirit, and he's happy. All right, to my sister, you helped make this possible because I know I couldn't do it. I acknowledge you. My sister Stacy. We are sisters. In real life. I love you. I love you too. Everybody, I don't want to start naming names because then I'm going to get in trouble. My daughter. I love you, Mom. And my grandkids. I love you all.
Alright, Bishop, listen. See?
Donkey.
Yeah, donkey.
Donkey.
Donkey, donkey, donkey. Donkey, donkey. Yeah, Mommy, he's smiling. Yum, yummy.
Yes, you have no money, no.
No, eat it. Oh,
I gotta catch this one.
here. Mommy, he have that.
Yeah, he will. Yes.
He ate it. And
He put it in his mouth.
You sure you're not supposed to turn off the fan here?
Down here.
Okay. I'll put it as well.
Oh my god.
So you get chilly in there.
Oh my god. Mommy.
Yes, mommy.
Is it about it?
Drooling. He's a baby. That's what babies do.
It was a long day. Good night. See you tomorrow. Good morning. So, I wonder where they come from. It's right here. This is my family's yard.
Service gone, brother. Service not there, not on female.
What I want to? Yeah, me there. Oh, me never there hear you. Too much things are going.
Tell you what to come here. Tell you what to come here.
Talk it away, scooter there. No, bro. Yeah. I can't wash it. You're not going to wash it good, man. You can't wash it like how him can wash it. Your hand me have.
It's a favor, sir. Give me them, all of them.
So, that's my uncle's house. That's my cousin. My auntie and this. May I come? Oh, there.
You've been going with things in your life too.
Service. There's a motor vehicle in here. Come on, man. Where's your honor for my father? Come, Vicky.
No, they say people can't go to because they say you have to have one different permit.
One different the last one.
Service.
They don't come in.
When I come, when he come in the long
Service.
Get permit for what? The party today?
No, we got permit for the party, but we want fireworks.
Oh.
And then the police they come.
Oh.
Pretty, you say are nice. And
Yeah.
what they do it fantastic.
Give me them, man. Give me them.
And somebody call police and then come to
God,
the
no.
office. Somebody just pop up the permit back and say permit.
Before I say they come in, I know say that we go on summit.
Right, then tell you, then explain.
But they broke, they lose.
You didn't lose.
Yes, Auntie Donna.
They want money.
All flavor, all time.
Oh, what is that one?
Tangy, there's a. And this one a cherry pie.
Cherry pie.
And this one name half a dog, you know.
What?
Yeah. Tangy, that tangy, this.
Tangy, that?
Dave see half a dog, like, boy. Cherry pie.
Water over the stuff in our house.
They know what they care.
Yeah, me just tell them to buy water too. Kaya man in our house they play on them tablet. They say they're hot and tired.
They got good footage?
Yeah, me want to.
What's up?
This is my childhood home. So that's my childhood home, but however, they lick it down and they build it over. That was my mom's room. The back room was my room, and then the other room over the other side was my brother's room. They go visit me grandfather. Oh my god, I can't stay down here too long. Oh, and over there, I'm a great grandmother. Him lie down next to him, mother, my dear. I can't turn on too long, or else I start cow bawling. But anyways, let's walk around. I hope the footage from yesterday turned out good, because I was videoing majority of our family. That wasn't even half of us. Oh, that's my great grandmother's house. It's still here. We haven't taken it down. Love and miss her. Javinci, I feel good, my dear. My aunt's house. Happy tree. Let me drop. Yeah, me find one. Yes, my dear.
want guava. I used to like guava and cherry, and that was my favorite.
I love cherry here.
We don't have no cherry tree.
Them not good here, mommy. See, mommy there.
Hi, you too.
And the Javan have Javan say a film tree.
No plan nothing to catch a wild.
A food is sour sap. They have sour sap too.
I grow like a dust.
Oh, you throw it.
But I mean, have one mango tree and goat eating.
Aki tree too. Me like Javan. Guys, me like Javan house.
Yeah.
Javan house, the boy. God no. So with them all running.
I don't know what we don't put it more. Because they stop.
Yo, may I come?
They stop the next door from put up.
Oh.
So yeah, this is where I come from. Majority of the houses look very different from when I was growing up because everybody is expanding, everybody is trying to make everything bigger and better, and that's just the nature of being a Jamaican. But majority of my family comes from here and majority of my family comes from Little London. If you know where this is, you are family or extended family or a family friend. So I'm not really worried about people knowing where this is because it's one way in, one way out. And if you come up here, you get knocked. But anyways, this is the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the corner. I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.